maintaining a clean home can be challenging, especially for busy homeowners in Calgary. The concept of speed cleaning involves adopting strategies to efficiently clean your home in a shorter amount of time. Busy schedules and other responsibilities often leave homeowners with limited time for cleaning tasks. This can lead to a buildup of clutter and dirt, adding to the stress. Introducing the concept of speed cleaning aims to address these challenges by providing practical tips and techniques to streamline the cleaning process and make it more manageable for homeowners in Calgary. Having organized cleaning supplies is crucial for saving time during cleaning sessions. A well-arranged cleaning supply collection allows homeowners to quickly locate the necessary tools and products, eliminating the need to search for items and resulting in more efficient cleaning. Setting up an efficient cleaning supply station involves categorizing and arranging cleaning products, tools, and equipment in a systematic manner. This includes using storage containers, labeling items, and maintaining a designated cleaning area. By implementing these tips, homeowners can streamline their cleaning process and make the most out of their time. Strategic room cleaning involves implementing specific strategies to ensure quick and effective cleaning of each room. Homeowners can prioritize high-traffic areas such as the living room, kitchen, and bathroom, ensuring that these spaces remain tidy and presentable. Additionally, employing time-saving techniques like the 2-minute tidy can help individuals tackle smaller cleaning tasks in a focused and efficient manner. By strategically approaching room-by-room cleaning, homeowners can maximize their cleaning efforts and maintain a consistently tidy living environment. Utilizing time-saving cleaning tools and gadgets is essential for achieving faster and more efficient cleaning results. Cordless vacuums offer the flexibility to clean various areas without being restricted by power cords, while microfiber cloths are highly effective for capturing dust and dirt particles with minimal effort. Additionally, multi-purpose cleaning solutions help streamline the cleaning process by eliminating the need for multiple products. By incorporating these time-saving tools into their cleaning routine, homeowners can significantly reduce the time and effort required to maintain a clean and tidy home. Establishing a regular cleaning routine is vital for busy homeowners to efficiently maintain a clean home without feeling overwhelmed. By emphasizing the importance of consistency, individuals can create a manageable schedule that includes daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning tasks. A sample schedule may involve allocating specific days for tasks such as vacuuming, dusting, and organizing, ensuring that each area of the home receives regular attention. Implementing a routine not only leads to a cleaner living space but also reduces the stress associated with sporadic or last-minute cleaning efforts.